This tutorial will show you how to create your custom application package where you can run your own PNP application. Make sure that you have previously installed and configured the Petri plans repository and have created your playground folder or created another folder that is shared with the PNP Docker container and is persistent. If it's not persistent, the changes will be lost after closing the container. To run this application, you're also going to need a simulator or a real robot, an implementation of actions and conditions that are explained in section 8, and you need the PNP repository and Docker images that were explained in the previous videos and sections in the documentation. So once you have been able to download and install all your PNP repository and prerequisites, let's now move to the playground that we have previously created. And here we're going to create a new folder where we're going to place all the files of this new application. You can call it whatever you would like, depending on the name that you would like to give your new PNP application, in this case demo_PNP. And let's enter that location. We're gonna now create the Docker file. And let's just do it in here. We're gonna call it Docker file. And if we open it, we're gonna add the information that is available here in section 5.1 in the documentation. You can copy all of this into this Docker file, save it. Now we will build this Docker image for the new application by writing docker build demo PNP and then a period. Okay, so it's been built successfully, and now we're gonna run the Docker image mounting this current folder, demo_PNP, where you're gonna use this command right here. You can just copy and paste. There you go. So now we're inside the Docker container of your new PNP application, and we're gonna create inside the new Docker container the ROS package. So we're gonna cd the source location, and in here we're gonna create the package, create package, and we're gonna call it demo_PNP, the same as the Docker container we built, demo PNP, and then we're gonna add all the dependencies for this ROS package. We're gonna add also the dependency of PNP_ROS, that's called. Perfect, so now I just created the package, and we're gonna compile this new ROS package then. We're gonna do that in the ROS folder inside the catkin workspace, sorry. And we're gonna catkin make. Perfect. So one thing to note is that you have to compile these ROS packages right after starting the container. or commit the Docker container into a new image. That way these changes are persistent and everything that you have created in here is not lost. Now we will create all the files and folders for creating your PNP application. You can do this in either the host OS or in the container itself, but make sure that whenever you execute something, it must be done inside the container itself. So let's first create the following subfolders in the new ROS package. So let's go to ROS CD demo PNP, and in here where we can see what is available, only these things. And let's just create some folders where we're gonna add all our information. We're gonna create the plans folder and the scripts folder, which are not added in there.